Better call them up, give them a warning, make Facebook posts, whatever you gotta do. But I'm telling you what, them carp's gonna be in trouble. Them carp, I'm coming for them. So y'all keep tuned. I'm gonna make up some of these hair rigs. We're gonna go out there in the kayak, the canoe, and I'm tired of watching them swim around and laugh at me. I'm gonna figure them out. We're gonna catch a couple. At least one. Gotta catch one. As many as there is in that river, I gotta catch one before it's too cold to go out there. Stay tuned. This could get interesting.